I purchased this dolly for a very large palm tree that I move outside during the summertime. I was really surprised at the size of the box that it came in because the box was rather small. And when I was envisioning this stuff, when I ordered it, it says it goes to a maximum of 19 inches in diameter. So I thought, how in the world do they fit that into that little box? But what happens is it comes in 4 different sections. So each of these sections, the wheels come unattached as well. So they include the screws, and they also give you a Phillips head screwdriver to attach each of the wheels onto the base. And then you take these metal brackets that go in between, and there are these locking mechanisms here. So what you do is you slide them in. This is the maximum width here, which is 19 inches. And then you can adjust it in depending on what width you want your the diameter of the pot holder or whatever you're going to use it for. But then you take this and you lock it into place, and these are really solid when it comes to that. So when I flip it over, this has a rim on it. It's probably about 1/4 of an inch high, and this will hold the base of my pot in place. So what I like most about this is each of these wheels has a locking mechanism to it. The ones that I've seen in the past or other plant caddies that I have only have 2 wheels that lock, or even a single wheel that locks. This one, every single wheel locks into place. So it'll give you stability on my deck that I'm going to put it on. So this is going to come in handy. It says it's going to support up to 440 pounds. My palm tree is nowhere near that